I didn't think it was going to still be snowing today. Oh, maybe it was going to quit.
How long have you been stuck?
2 hours.
Oh my goodness.
I got AAA, but I got right here. I thought I could dig myself up. Whew, Lord. Now he's stuck. Trying to help me.
Cool.